Push the button on your alarm. Stay safe and keep yourself away from harm. Wakes you up when there's a fire, but don't let the batteries expire. Oh no. Good reasons to test. Good reasons to test. Don't keep it hidden in a drawer. Get into trouble that way for sure. If it bleeps when it shouldn't, get a new one, who wouldn't? Well, why wouldn't you? Reasons to test, so many reasons to test, so many good reasons to test. Reasons to test, so many reasons to test, so many good reasons to test. When there's a fire in your home, if your alarm works, then maybe you are not alone. It gives you time to make an escape if you keep your exit route in tip-top shape. Good reasons to test. Good reasons to test. Testing once a week is better. Choose a Tuesday, follow us on Twitter. Testing is cool, don't be a fool, don't just sit there thinking, my, what does that button do? Reasons to test, so many reasons to test, so many good reasons to test. Reasons to test, so many reasons to test, so many good reasons to test. Test it when you wake up, before you cuppa, or just after you finished your evening supper. Before you go to bed to rest your sleepy head, test it then to check that it's working. 'Cause in the morning you might not wake up and see another day. And that's gotta be a good reason to test. Good reason to test. Good reason to test. Good reason to test. Good reasons to test.